In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your blog's URL on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your chess.com profile, and then go to chess.com homepage. After that, head over to settings. The easiest way to do so is click Add that gear. Then just scroll down until you find blog in that left vertical menu. And basically that's where we can change our current URL. We can change the last part of the URL, so we can remove current one and then enter new one. Also in here we can change our blog's name. Let me just copy it. After that, once you are done with that, to save the changes, do not forget to click Add that button. It says this URL is not available, please try again. So let me just enter some numbers and let me try again. Yeah, that worked. So I have just successfully changed my chess.com blog URL. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.